I got a short series of videos on a topic that gets a lot of press, actually, biblical prophecy, and frankly, some people think it's a joke. I personally do not. I want to explain why, not only in this video, but in others. We live in a world today where the succession and fulfillment of, in a rapid manner, of biblical prophecies is not only taking place, but it has the potential to take place because of technology. When the Apostle John on the island of Patmos got a revelation that we know today to be the book of Revelation, the foundation for a lot of movies in Hollywood, actually, things happened quite slowly because of the absence of technology and communication and travel. Today in the world we live, things happen quickly. Therefore, they have the likelihood they will happen in a quick succession. And that centers around something like the Arab Spring. Think about it. A couple years back, the Arab Spring, a series and a momentum-building crescendo of uprisings across the Middle East actually took place because of smartphones. Because people were captured on video, social media was used, Twitter, Instagram, whatever we could put our hands on to get information out is used. You see this taking place with ISIL and ISIS, and Al-Qaeda. Osama bin Laden did the same thing. The execution, the genocide, the kidnappings, all are happening instantaneously. And my point is this: there are some things happening right now in the world that are quickly becoming very obvious to be the fulfillment of biblical prophecy as we move toward the end of days. When President Roosevelt, prior to the attack at Pearl Harbor, actually sent a message to his commanders in Hawaii, they didn't get the message until after the Japanese had attacked Pearl Harbor. That's how slow our communication was then. No, not today. Today, something like this account that John writes about in Revelation chapter 11, verse 3 through 12, can actually happen on any day of the week, where two witnesses are in a city and they're viewed by the whole world for 3 days, lying dead in the street, only to rise again from the dead. That could easily happen technologically in the world in which we live today. And I don't even know what John must have thought when he recorded it in the Revelation at the end of the New Testament. Maybe drones were actually things that he saw that he called beasts. He had no idea what to call them. Suffice to say, in the series of videos ahead, I want to take a balanced, not an extremist look, a balanced look at the fulfillment of biblical prophecies as we see them in the 21st century, and the likelihood of prophecies being fulfilled as I explain them to you in the days, the months, maybe even the next few years. So let's take a look at this. I think you'll find it both balanced and informative.